My turn! So much fun.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
What seems to be the problem now, Whovians? Well, if you must know, Mr. Grinch, someone took our Oliver the Ornament for World Kindness Day. We were supposed to give it out to a lucky subscriber on Tubey Toys, and somebody took it. Yeah, was it you, Mr. Grinch? Oh my gosh, I just woke up and I am drinking my coffee. Why must you children always think that I'm stealing gifts? Who? That's right, little reindeer. I didn't take anything. I was asleep. As usual. Well, I'm not buying it. Someone's gotta find this ornament. We have to give it out for World Kindness Day. It's the most important day of the year. Woof, 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 woof. Looks like Max knows something we don't know. He doesn't know anything. He's a dog. Alright, I'll help you look for it. Maybe it's up in the cave or something. I'll be right back. Thanks, Mr. Grinch. You're the best. I know. World Kindness Day. These kids have nothing else better to do but celebrate holidays, sing songs around a tree, and give away gifts to subscribers. This is ridiculous. What is this Oliver the Ornament anyway? Let me see. It's a nice box. Very nice. And I'm guessing the ornament was in that little rectangle over there. Let's look inside the box. Nice colorful box. Looks like Oliver is the main attraction of this gift over here. Written by Todd M. Zimmerman. Who's that? Illustrated by Teddy Lou. Teddy Lou. Any relation to Cindy Lou? Let's look inside this box. Beautiful. This book is beautiful. It's a lovely hardcover book, and I'm sure someone would love it for World Kindness Day. I hope we do find you, Ollie. I hope we do. Let's look inside the book. Maybe it'll give us some clues. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful story about growing older with your family. It looks like he has to save the day. This is so beautiful. Let me see. What does this say? This book is dedicated to Marlene and Ted Zimmerman and Joan and Norb Horst for providing your families with loving homes filled with magic and creativity at Christmas and throughout the year, and for inspiring your children to accomplish anything they dream possible. For John. This is so lovely. This is just some of the pages of this beautiful book. And it looks like Oliver has a lot of friends. Oh my goodness. It even talks about your special ornaments. And you could talk about yours. I have a special ornament too. I'll show you mine. My dear Whoville friends gave me this beautiful ornament, and look what's inside. It's me. Holding an ornament. Isn't that wonderful? Let's get back and look for Oliver, though. If you were an ornament that was bullied, where would you be? Let me see. The hospital, maybe? No, we don't have a hospital here. Maybe he's by the Christmas tree in the town square. Let me go look. Whovians, I think I found your Oliver. Well, where is he? Well, if you were an injured and sad ornament, where would you go? The hospital? Not the hospital. I don't know. To the store? I don't know. Woof, 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 woof. That's right, Max. See, Max did know all along. Let's look by the tree in the square. He must be by the tree. That's where all ornaments go, you see. Oh my gosh, Mr. Grinch, you're so smart. Let's go check it out. Well, we're by the tree. Let's turn on the beautiful tree by pressing the button. Cindy Lou, would you do the honors? I would love to, Mr. Grinch. The light's on now. Perfect. Oliver! Let's look behind the tree. I knew it! Oh, you found me. I did. What are you doing behind this tree? Well, I'm not having the best day. Christmas is almost here, and I just feel so down. Listen, everybody feels down around Christmas sometimes, but you have a wonderful family that needs you, and you're going to have a new family too. Look at the description below to learn how you could win your own Oliver the Ornament set. And if you want to purchase your own for friends, make sure you go on Amazon.com or go to olivertheornament.com to learn more. Now, Oliver, you get back in your box. Your new family's going to miss you. Without you, it's just a book. We need the ornament to tell the story. Well, I guess you're right. Thanks so much for helping find me. Now, let's get me back in the box. Excellent. I saved the day again. Well, you really did this time. You sure did, Mr. Grinch. I know. Thanks so much for putting me back in my box. I can't wait to meet my new family and to join them for the holidays. Well, thank you so much, everyone at home, for helping us brainstorm and find Oliver the Ornament. Every Oliver the Ornament is accompanied with a beautiful storybook. And let's encourage the gift of giving this holiday season, and let's pay kindness forward today on World Kindness Day, and let's give a smile to somebody, a hug, cheer somebody up, or just tell somebody that you care about them and that you're there for them. A little bit goes a long way today, so let's all be kind to each other. Thank you so much, Oliver the Ornament, for sending us this beautiful book and this ornament, and we can't wait to share it with one of our lucky subscribers. In order to enter, please check out the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you, Mr. Grinch, for helping us find Oliver. You're quite welcome. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. My turn! So much fun.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.